The Hynniewtrep Youth Council (HYC) has submitted a memorandum to the Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council highlighting key concerns related to governance, environmental conservation and economic regulations. The organization, through its president Kupar Synrem, extended best wishes to the newly elected EC members, expressing hope for effective administration that serves the interests of the public. One of the primary issues raised by the HYC was the need for a transparent recruitment process within the council. Synrem urged upon the EC to ensure that all appointments strictly follow the service rules of 1961, preventing political influence or illegal hiring. He also referred to the 2019 CAG report, which has flagged irregularities in past recruitment practices, emphasizing the importance of maintaining integrity in the selection process. Another significant concern was the issuance of trading licenses to non-tribal traders. The HYC has called for the strict enforcement of the Khasi Hills District Trading by Non-Tribals Regulation 1954, arguing that only those who can prove full residential status in the state should be granted trading licenses. The organization stressed the need for stronger regulations to protect local economic interests and prevent unfair competition from external business entities. Environmental conservation was also a key focus for HYC's recommendations. The organization has urged upon the EC to take proactive steps in preserving forests, water sources, and the region's overall ecosystem. It suggested working closely with traditional institutions to enforce conservation laws and expand Lau Adong or restricted areas to protect natural resources. Additionally, the HYC called for initiatives to clean and restore polluted rivers such as the Wa'umkhra and Wa'umshirpi, while ensuring that other water bodies do not suffer from encroachment and pollution. The issue of Benami transactions, where non-tribals allegedly use indigenous names to conduct business, was another major point of concern. The HYC has urged upon the Executive Committee of the KJDC to implement stringent measures to curb such practices, arguing that they undermine the rights of local traders. Synrem emphasized the need for the Council to take strict action against individuals engaged in such transactions within its jurisdiction. In conclusion, the Hynniewtrep Youth Council reiterated its willingness to collaborate with the Executive Committee of the KJDC to develop and implement policies that address these pressing issues. The organization expressed its commitment to working towards the betterment of the indigenous community and ensuring that governance remains transparent, fair, and in alignment with the interests of the people.
Today we had an opportunity to meet the newly inducted CM of KJDC, Pak Shembor Lang Renjak. Our purpose, first of all, is to congratulate him on taking over as the new CM for the present term, as well as to give him some views and opinions on how to tackle some issues which the council is facing at present. Firstly, we have suggested to the CM that under his leadership, the EC should make sure that the recruitment to the various posts, the vacancy or the various posts in the council should be done as per the provision of the Service Rule 1961. There is already a Service Rule 1961 which is in place, which provides that for every vacancy in the district council there should be an advertisement. But sadly, in the last few 10 or 15 years or 20 years, there had not been any single advertisement for any post in the council. So we want the present EC under his leadership to make sure that the filling up of any post in the council should be done as per the provision of the Service Rule of 1961 and to ensure that there is transparency in the recruitment process. Secondly, we have also give him an opinion and a suggestion that issuance of the trading license to non-tribal should be done strictly as per the provision of the regulation of 1954. The regulation of 1954 is very clear, under what circumstances trading license can be issued to the non-tribals. and under what circumstances trading license can be rejected or application for trading license can be rejected. So we have given our suggestion to the CM that the present EC should make sure that each and every trading license application for trading license should be scrutinized, and if need be, or if trading license is to be given, it should be given strictly under the provision of the 1954 rules. And we have also suggested to him that for a non-tribal to be able to get a trading license, there should be a condition that the genuine non-tribal who are the ordinary resident of the state of Meghalaya should get trading license, and not those people who just come 1 or 2 days or month or year just to do business and then take away all the wealth, everything that is getting from here to his own place. So that is number 2, the point number 2. And point number 3 is regarding protection and preservation of forests. We know that the council under its custody there are a number of protected forests, but sad to say that these protected forests under the council have become only a way to sell those timber from this forest. It's not a way to protect the environment. So we want the EC under the leadership of the CM to make sure that these forests under the custody of the council should be protected at any cost, and also the council should take steps that there should be more protected forests or community forests as we know as Lau Adong. It should be declared in each and every village or in each ilaka under the jurisdiction of KHDC. And the point number 4 that we have given an opinion is that the council should take steps to ensure that the Benami transaction or the Benami business should be stopped for it. Because we know in the instance if the EC reject the trading license for non-tribal, the best way for them or the easy way for them is to approach a tribal to just take his name and do business in the name of a tribal person. So the EC should take steps to ensure that the tribal person who claimed to be the owner under the Benami transaction, such a tribal person should be ensured that he should be penalized as per the law. So these are the suggestions that we have given before the new CM, and we have also given our words to him that whenever the CM or the EC needs our opinion or views, we are always ready to work together with the present EC.